Welcome back to the channel. Let's make some stuffed peppers my way. First, I started off with some ground turkey. I think there's about 2 pounds, but you could use ground beef. I had some kosher salt. I had some oregano that I put up in that thing. This is garlic and herbs. See, this is kind of the New Orleans style and Italian seasoning. And the reason why I add Italian seasoning is because I usually will have Italian breadcrumbs, but I don't have none. So I went ahead and add that. I put a little bit of Tony's up in there. And I thought I had to speed it up, but I guess I ain't had to speed up enough. So next I'm going to mix. Mix. I really hate cooking ground beef, ground turkey because mine never come out in them little bitty chunks. But I found a solution in how I do that, how I make them come out in them little bitty chunks. I add some water, a little bit of water. Once I add a little bit of water, that water helps break down that ground beef or ground turkey. We don't mess with the beef too much or the swine. See how I did? All right, so I missed the most important step, was some chicken bouillon. That adds a lot of flavor. Usually I use accent, but I've been using chicken bouillon lately. You could use the beef kind if you want, but I just use the chicken for everything because you can't really taste it. So now I'm just gonna mix again. And now we have us some lump crab meat. Lump crab meat. All right, girl, get it open. And voila, look how pretty it is. Beautiful. Now you're just gonna break that crab meat all the way down. I know some of y'all are like, ew, crab meat and ground beef. What? Yeah, like I told you, this is mostly a New Orleans style dish. This is how the Louisianans make their stuffed peppers. We do not make it with rice. We make it with ground beef and we stuff it with seafood. So next you're probably going to see me pull out some shrimp, but right now I'm just kind of mixing this up. Oh, can't forget about that old seafood. Anything that I cook and it has something with seafood, I'm always going to grab that dang going seafood ball. Now I'm going to add a little breadcrumbs, and that's to help thicken it up. But these was totally seasoned. Don't grab no seasoned breadcrumbs. That's all I had. So you got that's why you didn't see me season too much, because the breadcrumbs had some seasoning in it, and it's probably something that I didn't like. But all in all, you want a little breadcrumbs so you can help thicken that up a little bit. And then I'm probably going to come back up in here and add just a little bit of water, but you could add some chicken stock or some beef stock or something else, some seafood stock. Next, I am adding in the shrimp. I didn't add too many because the family, believe it or not, I have a whole, we from Louisiana, born and raised, and they're allergic to seafood. They're allergic to shrimp, I should say. So I just added a little bit of water. Like I just had told you, you could like add chicken stock or something like that, but I added just to loosen it up just a little bit. And so now I'm just gonna go ahead and just cook these shrimps down, not too much because we're about to bake this dish. This is all gonna go in the oven, so you don't want to cook it down too much because you know shrimp will turn to a ball of rubber. So I'm just showing you the consistency. Now we're about to prepare the peppers. You could cut them however you want to. I thought about cutting them the other way, but I just decided to cut it long ways or down the middle. And I'm just gonna take all the insides and stuff out. Usually I take a spoon and clean that out. Use your hand, however you want to do. But I got these nails on, so you know I cut it out. So I'm gonna prepare all these peppers. Not everybody in the house like peppers, so I only have, I think I have about maybe 3 peppers, and that's slicing down the middle. I think I got 6 out of them. That one's a little baby one. But yeah, so you're gonna watch me prepare the peppers, and then after I prepare these peppers, after I got them all cut up, I'm gonna take, that was more than 6. I'm gonna take them and I'm gonna give them a bath, a hot ball, a hot barrel like they say, but a hot ball, I know how to speak, a hot ball bath of hot water. And you're just gonna kind of draw that down a little bit until your peppers get a little bit soft, al dente. And then you're gonna stuff all your stuffing in there. See, the people who don't like peppers around here, I just leave the stuffing, the leftover stuffing, and that's what they eat. And then the people who eat the peppers, I fix the peppers for them, because ain't nobody about to waste no good peppers around here. So I just definitely just, that little stuffing, that's what they eat. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stuff all these. As you can see, boom, bam. And then I'm gonna take some more. Now this is when it's important to have that Italian seasoning, breadcrumbs. Like I said, I ain't have none, and I wasn't going to the store, so this is what I use. And I think I took some Italian seasoning and probably put it on top of giant sea, because I wanted it to taste like Italian. And then I'm gonna throw some water up in there, but I don't just throw water up in mine because I don't want it to taste plain. So I always add a little seasoning, a little salt, a little something at the bottom, and I just chose to add some chicken bouillon. And this is to help the bottom, help it continue to cook and not stick and stuff. So that's why I'm adding the water. And then in a minute, you're gonna see the finished product. And that's just me adding the little chicken bouillon. You don't have to, but that's what I do. And bam, that's the finished product. It is freshly out the oven. You see how them peppers don't wrinkled up? Yeah, that's what you want. You want that tender. And then I just served it with some mashed potatoes and corn on the cob. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Peace, y'all. Have a blessed and wonderful day.